In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a report in Salesforce Lightning. This process will guide you through duplicating your report, making it easy to reuse templates or customize existing data reports without starting from scratch. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. This is your gateway to access all the tools and features available in Salesforce Lightning. Make sure you've entered your credentials correctly and authenticate if necessary, so you can access the dashboard where all your activities and tasks reside. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll do is navigate to the Reports tab. You can usually find this right on the main menu at the top of your Salesforce interface. Clicking on the Reports tab will display a list of all available reports you have permissions to view and edit. Locate and open the specific report that you want to clone. This is important as this action determines the data and structure your new report will adopt. Now that you have the report open, look for the Edit button, usually somewhere in the upper right area of the report page, and click on the small down arrow next to the Edit button. This will reveal a drop-down menu that provides you with more options relating to report management. From this drop-down menu, select the option labeled Save As. This is the crucial step that allows you to create a new version of the report while preserving the original. Save As is essentially what enables you to clone or duplicate the report, so click on that option to move forward. Once you've selected Save As, a new window or dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a new report name. It's important to choose a name that clearly reflects the content or purpose of the report, ensuring you can easily identify it later. Additionally, if your organization uses report folders for organization, you may have the option to choose or create a new folder to store this cloned report. Take a moment to decide if a new folder is necessary or if you could use an existing one. Finally, with all your new preferences and details entered, you'll complete the process by clicking Save. This simple action will officially create a copy of your report with the new name and location you specified, and there you have it, a newly cloned report ready for you to edit or share however you need. This process not only saves time but also maintains consistency across your reports. Duplicate as needed for any analysis or presentations. We hope this guide helped clarify the process of cloning reports in Salesforce Lightning, making it a seamless task from now on. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.